Hi guys, this is Brian Crawford with Revitalize New Mexico. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. If you like what you're seeing, please feel free to hit that like button. A lot has happened in this house since the last time you guys were out here, and obviously you guys got the demo videos and you got all that cool stuff, but a lot more has happened. And unfortunately, we have completely obliterated and overdrawn our budget big time. And there's a couple things to do. You can either bellyache and cry about it and whine a little bit, or you can just deal with it and move on. The outside of the house looks really nice. So we've got black trim now, all this white. The rest of the house is white. There's still going to be a window coming in here in a couple weeks, which is going to be really cool. And as you can see over here, we've made some sewer upgrades, which was not actually in the plan at all to begin with. The other thing is, you're going to be shocked when you get in here. This is what's most shocking. When you come into the house, obviously that wall's gone. Our framer, we kind of lost him last minute. I don't know, not lost him, but he just decided he wasn't going to do this. So we got to find somebody new to do that for us. That gas line, as you can see, it's gone. It's moved. Sayonara. When they did this gas line, we actually found out that there was a gas leak in the rest of the house as well. So after chasing it down for a few hours, trying to figure out exactly where that gas leak was, we realized it was more economical and probably safer to just run an entirely new gas line. So that was an expense that we never expected to incur. So there's going to be all new gas lines in this house, from the other side, through here, down to the range. The other thing that we weren't going to do to begin with, these cabinets are gone. We actually sold these on Facebook Marketplace. In fact, they were supposed to come get them, but they haven't yet. Let's take a look here. This is the biggest change, and frankly, this has become the biggest remodel job we've ever done. This house, if you remember right, was a 4-bedroom, 1-bath house, and now it's a 3-bedroom, no-bath house. There's no bathroom in this house right now. But the good news is, there's actually going to be 2 bathrooms here. So we have all new plumbing in here. We had to break up a portion of the foundation of this house. So part of the foundation's gone, the initial slab. Now, of course, we leave the stem wall alone and everything, so this is a pretty easy fix. We were going to leave this bathroom alone because it was in pretty good shape. But after we incurred all the electrical expenses, all the plumbing expenses, all that stuff, we needed a way to boost our ARV. Now, ARV is a simple term. It's after repair value. So we needed to be able to, in order to hit our numbers, we needed to do a massive upgrade to boost our value up. Now, adding a second bathroom in this particular neighborhood actually lifts our market cap by about $30,000. But this bathroom was going to cost us about $10,000 to add. Now it's around $12,000, and what we uncovered in the meantime is they had to redo a lot of this plumbing as well, which was not cheap, as you can imagine. You saw us demoing out this bathroom originally. You saw us demo out this wall. So there's a ton of drywall work to be done. The other thing that we did that we were not initially planning on doing is we had to pull a full-on building permit for this house, a full-on remodel permit. Originally, we were going to do what's referred to as a lipstick flip, meaning we were basically going to paint it, retexture it, do some very basic upgrades. Oh my, here's where they were chasing down the leak. I haven't even been in here yet. So they were chasing down that gas leak, and this is what they found, is right here. Oh my. So this is going to be the master bedroom. There's going to be a door cut out right here to enter the master bathroom, which is actually going to be pretty cool. We're going to add cabinets here, and these cabinets will give us a really nice look here, and also give you some linen storage and that sort of thing. There's going to be a bathtub over here. Toilet will come up right here, and then there's also going to be a dual vanity here, as well as a linen cabinet. And over here in the hall bathroom, or the guest bath rather, there'll be a tub shower combo, toilet, single vanity, big closet right there. and the opening will be into the closet, or into the hallway. The other thing that we had to do, since we're adding a bathroom in here, this window is actually going away. This window will not be here. So we're going to put a smaller window over here, and then we've also got a small window that'll go right like that. So it's kind of a bigger deal than what we were expecting. You guys know the issue with the electrical. The electrical so far is kind of crazy. So we didn't think we were going to have to add a sub panel. We thought we had enough slots in our current breaker box. That also was not the case. So we had to add this new sub panel, but it's nice and pretty and has lots of room for anybody else who wants to add electrical to the house. So that's about as far as we've got. The house has been painted. It looks awesome. The shop, we haven't done a whole lot with that. And there's some of the stuff from the shingle truck. So what's really cool here is we're tearing this out. This will be a nice peninsula. It's going to be beautiful countertops right here. New cabinets. All new cabinets have been ordered for this. So there's going to be recessed LED lighting, new cabinets, lots of new drywall, new paint, 2 new bathrooms, an entirely new kitchen. So when this house is done, it's going to be like moving into a new house. It's going to be a beautiful house. And the landscape out front is going to be pretty sweet too. So, oh whoops, I'm hitting the zoom button. I didn't mean to do that. So the vision out here is that we're gonna put down some gravel, and we're gonna put some decorative boulders out here with some nice succulents. And we're gonna do something to make the front of the house pop. I'm not quite sure what we're gonna do with the front of the house yet. Maybe some planter boxes, something. But I can tell you right now, from the original, oh, this is not a paid product placement, by the way, but they're a local company, and their response time is a lot better than Waste Management, I can tell you that. So, this is the house. So it's going to have some nice boulders here. It's going to have great curb appeal. It already looks so much better. We put a new roof on here. There were some unexpected surprises with the roof. You saw that in the last video, so I'm not going to go into all that. But the house is really nice. And frankly, when it's all said and done, this house is going to be beautiful. It's going to be the most beautiful house on the block. And it's going to be a great house for somebody. So we're really excited. We are looking for another house, just so you know. So our goal is to revitalize New Mexico. I know that's really cheesy and everything, but that's what the name is. We want to revitalize communities through the improvement of real estate. That's our goal. So, also a window right here. This house is going to be really cool. Thanks for watching, guys, and tune in next time. Again, if you like this video, if you want to learn more about real estate investing and what I do on my deals and how I evaluate those deals, please comment down below, and we can have a one-on-one conversation. I'm also going to do a video about the numbers behind this house, just so you guys have a better idea of what we look at and some of the proven systems, models that we see all the time. So, oh yeah, good news. That heater is really good. It's relatively new. So we're not going to replace that. But we've got a lot to do here, as you can see. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Really helps us out. Thanks for watching.